It's the same story every month. You get your salary, feel rich for a few days, then boom! By the 15th, you're already wondering where all your money went. And by the 25th, you're surviving on Maggie and waiting for payday like it's some grand festival. If your bank account was a person, it would probably be sending SOS signals by now. But don't worry, you're not alone. Most people struggle with budgeting. The real problem? Nobody ever taught us how to manage money properly. Did you know that 80% of Indians don't follow a budget? And because of this, most people never achieve financial freedom, no matter how much they earn. Here's the harsh truth. If you don't control your money will control you. And that's a dangerous game to play. So, what's the secret to saving money without feeling restricted? Let's break it down. The struggle. Why most people fail at budgeting. Budgeting is often misunderstood. People think it's about giving up fun, cutting all expenses, and living like a sadhu. But that's not true. 3 reasons why people fail at budgeting. 1. No clear spending plan. Most people spend money without tracking it. It's like driving without a GPS. You're bound to get lost. 2. Giving in to lifestyle inflation. You got a salary hike? Great. But instead of investing, you upgraded your phone, subscribed to 3 more OTT platforms, and started eating out more often. Sound familiar? 3. Saving what's left instead of saving first. Most people spend first and then save whatever is left, which is usually nothing. The key is to save first, then spend. Ever wondered why companies deduct PF, Provident Fund, before giving you your salary? Because if they gave it all to you, you'd probably spend it on Zomato and Amazon Prime before thinking about retirement. So how do you actually build a smart budget that helps you save without feeling deprived? Let's get into it. The solution: how to budget and save like a pro. If you want financial freedom, you need to tell your money where to go, instead of wondering where it went. The smart budgeting formula: 50-30-20 rule, 50% needs, rent, food, utilities, transport 30%, wants, eating out, shopping, entertainment 20%, savings and investments, emergency fund, stocks, mutual funds, insurance. If you're serious about saving money, automate it. Set up an auto transfer so that 20% of your salary moves to a savings or investment account the moment you get paid. Out of sight, out of temptation. How to save more without cutting fun. Track every rupee. Use apps like Walnut or MoneyView. Use the 24-hour rule. Thinking of an impulse purchase? Wait 24 hours before buying. Ditch useless subscriptions. Do you really need 4 OTT platforms? Buy in bulk and cook at home. Small savings add up fast. Did you know that if you save just rupees 100 per day and invested it smartly, you could have over rupees 15 lakh in 10 years? Imagine the possibilities. The difference between rich and broke people isn't how much they earn. It's how they manage what they earn. Budgeting isn't about restrictions, it's about freedom. Now that you've learned how to budget like a pro, the next step is learning how to grow your savings with smart banking and digital payment strategies. Click on the next video and take your financial game to the next level. Also, like this video if you found it helpful. Share it with friends and family. And most importantly, subscribe my channel Gyaanoscope for more insightful videos.